So how to turn on your iPhone 13 or iPhone 13 Pro. So on right hand side, there's a button right there. You see it? Right there. And then on your left hand side, there's a button, the volume, up and down. Okay, there's top and bottom. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna press the right hand button and either up and down at the same time. It don't matter, you can push this down or up. It don't matter, it will work. So make sure you push them together. Hold it, push it, and then this page will come up. It will say slide to power off. So what you want to do, you're gonna slide it to your right to power it off. As you can see, my phone is off. Now, the question is how to turn it back on. How to turn it on? Super easy. On your right hand side, you see that button? Okay, you're gonna press on that and hold on to it. Don't let it go. Your life's into it until the Apple logo come on, and then you can let it go. And then I had a lot of false apps on my phone, so it's kind of take a while to turn on. But in a matter of a second, it will come on. Voila, right there. So you can see it's on. Okay, guys, don't forget to subscribe. If you want to add something up, comment down below. Okay, like this video, and I appreciate you guys. Thank you.